Hey guys, so welcome to the first ever video of the tech plan. So I welcome to you my new channel and the first video of the tech plan. So guys, today's video based on the best gaming PCs in the world. So yeah, today I'm going to tell you which PC is best to buy, and then there's a link in down description. Go check out if you wanna buy these PCs. So yeah, let's start with the first PC that we have. There is a Lenovo Y900. Why we like this PC? Because Lenovo didn't invent any gaming machine, a gaming PC, because it's a business. He invented a lot of the business machines, as you know guys, but finally Lenovo just stepped in the gaming world, and it's the first PC that Lenovo just showed to the world is Lenovo Y900. So why we have to buy this PC? Because of its storage performance and a very low rate of price. So guys, the Lenovo isn't going to win any award because of its design, because Lenovo always works on its performance and storage. It doesn't work on its appearance, the laptop, the design of ours. But if we talk about the gaming PCs, Lenovo just upgraded its designing standards. And the processor combo has Intel Core i7 and with the 8 GB of the RAM, which make any robust gaming computer. So yeah, that's a very good PC, and it features NVIDIA, the graphic cards of the 720 and Copro 7200 RPM. So yeah, that looks a very good PC, and it has 4 2.0 USB ports and the 6 3.0 USB ports. So yeah, there's a 10 USB ports in this PC. So yeah, it looks a bigger machine of the PC, the gaming PC. So yeah, Lenovo just upgraded itself in the gaming PC with a very good performance of these PCs. The design allows to the easy access, quick and easy access to the internal, allow to upgrades to the time goes on. So yeah, you can easily upgrade and add expensive parts in it after the time goes on. The new upgrades coming. So yeah, you can upgrade this PC with this design. So and yeah, you can even jump it from the 8 GB to the 16 GB. It's very easy in this PC because of its design. So yeah, that's a very good design PC. So guys, this is the Lenovo Y900. So I hope you enjoyed the feature of this PC, that you can, because of its design, you can easily upgrade and add expensive parts in it. And yeah, you can easily jump from the 8 GB to the 16 of the GB RAM. So yeah, that's a very good one. I hope you like this PC. If you want to buy this PC, link in down description below. Go check it out, buy this PC, and give the feedback about this PC, how you like this PC in the comment section. So guys, the next PC that we have, the CyberPower Gamer PC Panzer 3020 LQ. Yeah, an absolute beast machine which can run any modern game. This PC is packed with the best graphic cards on the market. Yeah, the NVIDIA GTX 1080 with the 8 GB of the RAM. So yeah, 1080 it is the latest graphic card yet on the market. So yeah, this PC is suitable with this graphic card, and yeah, which can run any of the modern game, any beast game, and this PC can run any of the demanding game with a good graphics. So guys, this PC equipped with the Intel i7 770K with the 4.2 GHz quad-core processor with have 32 GB DDR4 RAM. So yeah, that looks a very beast, I know. So and you will never ever experience any enjoy gaming PC. This PC includes with the 6 3.0 USB ports and the 2 2.0 USB ports. So yeah, there is 8 of the USB ports. So yeah, you can attach anything, your microphone, your custom mouse and the keyboard, and if you are a streamer or a YouTuber and makes videos of the gaming. So yeah, you can attach your microphone and everything. You will never ever experience without that. So guys, if you talk about its appearance, its casing is made of tempered glass side panel with the cooling system built in it. So yeah, your PC will so make sure that the PC never heats up or the units never heats up by the demanding software. It comes with a 1-year parts and the labor warranty and a free lifetime tech support. So yeah, the CyberPower PC gives a very good, a very familiar services to its customer. So yeah, guys, that's the Cyberpower PC Gamer Panzer 3020. If you wanna buy this PC, link in down description below. Go check out, buy this PC, and give the feedback about the PC in the comment section. So how you like this PC, and yeah, we are waiting for your feedback. So guys, the next PC that we're going to talk about is the Skytech Arc. So Skytech is a newer company that just stepped in the gaming world and offering the well-equipped gaming PCs just under $600. The features with the white tower and the black chevron, who reveals the blue LEDs inside. So yeah, it is ready to play right out the box, and with the Windows 10 includes a gaming keyboard and a mouse. So yeah, you can buy this PC just in a $600 with that gaming keyboard and a mouse. So yeah, it's a pretty much good deal to buy this PC. It attracts me a lot, so I'm gonna buy this PC. If you also wanna buy this PC, link in the description below. So go check out, buy this PC, and don't forget to give the feedback about that PC in the comment section, and I'm waiting for your feedback. Guys, if we talk about its the specifications, so this PC can hit up to the 60 frames per second, which is on today's demanding games. So yeah, this is a very good PC, and with 3.5 GHz of the processor, which have a 8 GB of the RAM and 1 TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Graphics are top notch for the price, but thanks to the GTX 750 Ti 2 GB video card, it can play most titles full frame rate and runs AAA titles with the on a medium setting. The build also includes Windows 10 and a Wi-Fi adapter. So yeah, this PC looks so very amazing, and I'm damn sure to buy this PC. If you really want to buy this PC, link in down description below. You can buy this PC very easily. Just click that link and you can get your gaming PC with a gaming keyboard and a mouse in just $600. So yeah guys, that's a video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel right now, and also turn on the notifications on, so you will be notified with my new videos, and I'll try to upload as many videos as I can on a week. And guys, give the feedback about the video in the comment section. That's the first video of the tech plan, and guys, I will see you with another video. Till then, stay blessed. Goodbye.